these two. One is a pancake mix, and one is like a granola situation. So I need to go get my purse and buy these. And I had to stop at the Life store as one of the stops, and they have like a bunch of like healthy stuff and things like that you can check out. So I'm gonna get like 2 other things. I'll kind of give you guys a look around the store. Yeah. You have bags? I did not. Okay guys, I hope you guys can hear me because I'm inside a cafe right now. I'm inside Ragamuffin, and I have been on the road kind of doing some client work stuff, and now I'm here kind of just trying to finish up everything else that I have to do here, because it's a nice little cafe. It's actually my first time here. I've always wanted to come here, but now that I work on my own, you know, I wanted somewhere that I could just chill, eat, work, and just, you know, and it's a really nice vibe. It's not crowded like Starbucks and Cafe Blue and places like that. So I like it here a lot. My phone's on the charger now, so I kind of wanted to show you guys what the cafe looked like, but if you aren't familiar with it, because I mean most people are, but my phone's on charge right now, so I guess not. I'm gonna order some food and some coffee. I haven't eaten all day. It's like after 2 right now, and I haven't had anything to eat all day. So yeah. Good morning guys. It's Wednesday, and I just remembered that I didn't show you guys what I had gotten from the Life store, and I'm kind of excited about them, to try them. It was my first time going there, and I've always wanted to go there, honestly, but because I was doing some work for a client is really why I ended up going there. But this is what I got. So I got this pancake mix, this protein pancake mix. It's 16 grams of protein. You do have like different kinds. The brand is Purely Elizabeth, and you do have like different kinds of like oh, I just realized it has collagen. That's really cool. But yeah, so it has 11 grams of protein, and you had one with like 7 grams and like different things like that. So I got the one with the most protein, which was this one. It's grain free, made with chia seeds, tiger nut flour, and almond flour. I've never heard of tiger nut flour before, and it's gluten free, which is good. I think my body is allergic to gluten. I don't know, like I really think my body is allergic to gluten because when it's prepared it will be 13 grams of protein. That's really good, I guess, when you add the eggs. But yeah, I have a theory that my body is allergic to gluten because when I eat certain things, like things that are heavy in sugar, certain carbs, certain sweets, like I feel very bloated, and it's like an uncomfortable bloated. And that's why sometimes you see, like, I try to eat certain things, I try to, like, you know, because I don't like that feeling. But I do think my body is allergic to gluten, I really feel so. Okay, so this one's gluten free. and it is the same brand, Pearl Elizabeth, but this is like a granola, so it's like a cereal. I got the original one, which was the one that had the most protein, I think 7 grams. Oh, lie, this is sugars. Oh, I think I'm mixing it up with that. But this is the original one. They had like, she had like different ones like chocolate and some other stuff. But I decided to go with this. These are very pricey, by the way. This is $2,292. It's very expensive. But I still wanted to try it. It would still last me a little while. This would definitely last me a little while because I don't make pancakes that often, but seeing that I have this now, I probably will. The main reason why I don't make pancakes often is because it's not healthy, you know. So since I have this, I actually might make some more often. And then I got this, which is a cereal. I saw it and I was just like, okay, not bad. This one was $1,495, which is expensive, but it wasn't, well, it's definitely far off from the one that I usually buy, but I was like, okay, like, I'll try it. It's very expensive though, but healthy shit's always expensive. But yeah, so I got this. So I got these 3 things and I can't wait to try them. I really like this brand, Pearl Elizabeth. I love the packaging. I love packaging like this. Now, I can't wait to make enough money to afford these things on a regular basis because this was expensive. Like, y'all saw the price tag. These are expensive. But I love having things like this in my pantry, you know, like healthy shit where you can eat like normal, but the things that you're eating are healthy, so you don't have to be like so super conscious of everything. So I like that. Big up the Life Store. These were from the Life Store in Jamaica. I'll put their handle on the screen. But yeah. Hi y'all. So for the rest of the day, honestly, I kind of just did some work, chilled out, watched Netflix. I didn't really do much, honestly, outside of work and just doing that. I went to Zach's Smokehouse, sorry, and I got food there before coming home, and the food was actually really good. I got the barbecue chicken or something like that, barbecue smoked chicken, and I got their mac and cheese and their is it Cajun or Cajun fries? I always don't know how to pronounce that word. From I used to order at Popeyes, I never knew how to pronounce it. Mommy, I'm vlogging. Are you not used to me vlogging and talking to myself yet? You're like looking at me like, what is she doing? I'm vlogging. Yeah, so she was looking at me all crazy. Like, guys, like, even I'm actually editing my video right now, and if you notice the volume is like really down in the beginning when I was like in the Life Store, is because I felt so awkward, like, because you know the store is small and I was in there and kind of looking at things, and there were 2 people in there, and I was just like the owner knew that I was in there vlogging, but it just felt really awkward because I was just like, okay, I'm talking to this phone camera and everybody's like hearing me, and like it's just so weird. I have to get used to vlogging in public. Like, I'm getting there, but I'm not there yet. Like now, like when I'm walking outside, because I have on a mask, people can't tell that I'm talking to myself, but they do see me holding up a phone and a tripod. But like in like stores and stuff, it still feels so awkward. Like even sometimes, like even when I want to like do cool like b-roll in the supermarket, I'm like self-conscious and nervous, so I don't ever end up doing nice b-roll because I just feel like everybody's looking at me. So I got these cookies at Zach's Smoke Shack as well. Did I say Smokehouse? I meant Smoke Shack. You want a cookie? You know you want a cookie. but it was kind of, was it expensive? I guess maybe not for handmade cookies though. I don't know, is that expensive? This is, well, the one thing I don't like about that place, like they tell you what the price is. So like this was 500 and, whoops, this was $550 on the board, right? Then when you cash, they add like the GCT and stuff. So it's like, I'm like, why not add the GCT to the price instead of telling me $550 and then, oh, I have to add GCT after, so it comes up to 600 and something dollars. Like, what? But you get 6 cookies in there. 6 of these cookies. I don't know. I don't know if that's expensive. I don't know if that's cheap. Is that expensive? I don't know. I feel like it is, but I don't know, because they're like handmade, baked. I don't know. Y'all tell me if that's expensive or if that's reasonable. I never really know how to like gauge things, like if something's expensive or not. Well, certain things, because I don't really know what the value is, like what's the perceived value of handmade goods, baked goods. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gone, guys. I just feel like I'm on here talking about random shit. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. It was very short and kind of all over the place because I was really awkward in the beginning, in the live stores part of it, because I'm editing it now, as I said, and I just feel like it just seems so awkward because I was so awkward. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed it nonetheless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share with your friends on your favorite social media platform. Yeah, I'll see y'all again on Friday.